So here we are. Look at the wheels. Look at the exhaust. Dirt everywhere. Welcome to another episode of the Cobra Daytona build. So this thing's been flogged. Yeah, it's filthy. So we put 240 miles on it. You can see this side of the exhaust has been taking some cone shots. It was a great time at the Autocross. Weather was not great. A little misty in the morning. Yeah, car just got hammered hard with 13 Autocross runs. Car did great. The new rear tires. Any real hint of massive oversteer, unless I'm heavy into the throttle, it just bites. Actually, a little bit of understeer on the harder. They had a U-turn down at the end, hit it really hard, and it actually understeered a little bit. First time it's ever done that, I think, because I finally got some decent rear tires. So car pretty well balanced now. Other than that, it's been great, but you can see, I think painting light colored wheels, you can see right in here. Look at that. So between that and the rain and the brake dust, everything's a mess. So I'm going to clean this thing up, throw up some autocross videos. I don't have a ton. I was just trying to really concentrate on the car more and drive than I was trying to get video. But we'll just get a quick video up and let you know how it goes. So thanks again. Hit subscribe. Enjoy some of this autocross shots. And I will talk to you later. Thanks. Well, thank you for watching that autocross video. The car is now all cleaned up. You see the wheels now? They look nice and shiny. Everything looks good except this is white exhaust. I'm using high temp barbecue paint, and I think being hot, and then they get dirt on them from the road, the stuff just does not come off. So I may have to get these things coated. I'm not sure yet. That's gonna be my one issue. I don't know if I get them jet hotted or something, if that'll keep that from doing it, and then they just wipe off. I don't know if that's the case. I will get them coated because I'm definitely keeping the exhaust. But all the dirt back here is gone. As you can see, it looks nice and new again. So I did have a couple of cone marks on the passenger side wheel. Must have just nipped the cone and it kicked it up in. So I polished those out, and as I said, everything looks back to good. So we're ready for the Factory 5 event. So next weekend, Factory 5, we're going to meet up at a place called Heavenly Cafe in Scotts Valley, and then go over to Canepa Auto in Scotts Valley. So if you're around, come check us out. We're probably 8:30ish, I'm thinking, at Heavenly Cafe there in Scotts Valley. Hopefully by 9:30, 10, we're over at Canepa and done by 10:30. It doesn't take long to see it. They don't have a ton of stuff, but it's good to just walk around for half an hour, 45 minutes. Okay, so thanks again for watching. Hit subscribe, and we'll see what happens next and what video I put up. So have a good one.